Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go from home. You can still enjoy the game without leaving your house by focusing on key features. Remote raid passes allow you to join raids from anywhere, connecting with trainers worldwide. Daily Adventure Incense brings Pokémon directly to your location, ensuring you don't miss out on catches. Plus, the Go Battle League offers exciting player versus player battles right from your couch. To enhance your at-home experience, make sure to send and open gifts regularly. This provides valuable items, Stardust, and XP, helping you progress. If you have a Poké-Stop within range, deploying lure modules can significantly increase Pokémon spawns. Also, focus on completing research tasks that don't require you to walk or visit specific locations, as many can be finished from home. Maximizing your home play involves smart engagement. Connect with friends to receive remote raid invitations, ensuring you can participate in challenging battles. Regularly manage your Pokémon storage and item bag to stay organized and ready for action. Keep an eye out for in-game community events or special research that are specifically designed to be completed from home, offering unique rewards and fun. Remember to maintain a stable internet connection for uninterrupted gameplay, especially during raids or battles. Also, keep your device fully charged to avoid any sudden power-offs during an important catch or fight. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Happy training, and enjoy playing Pokémon Go from the comfort of your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.